Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah, boys. We have a spin class appointment with Houston in the Bugatti Veyron at 9:30. We're getting a little bit hit on snow right now. If any of my neighbors are watching today's video, this is CGI, this is computer generated. What I'm about to do on the cul-de-sac is not real. That sounds unreal. Also, bad news, the check engine light's on the Aventador. I know, it's every day. This is not what you want to see right now. A car spun the other direction on the freeway. Maybe driving the Aventador was not my smartest choice. That sign says chains 4x4 required in Parley's Canyon. We didn't bring the chains and we don't have the 4x4. We do have all-wheel drive, we do have snow tires, and we do have that sneaky check engine light. And now we're stopped. This is insane right now. There's just semis dumped on the freeway in every single direction in just some sort of Tetris pattern. Aventador's doing good though. That guy's not going anywhere anytime soon. We're just ripping by in an Aventador. This is so sick. Why is this so sick? Yeah, get out of my way, Dodge. We're good, we're good. Full send, boys, full send. This UPS truck is all over the road. No, power slider, bro, power slide. This Aventador though, like, whoa, okay, so I gotta focus. I need to stop. This is so much fun. These extreme whiteout conditions, we're the only one on the highway right now, going full send in a V12 Lamborghini Aventador. Oh, we got a snow chunk. Save the splitter, save the splitter. This is insane, this is so sick. There's a stoplight somewhere. There it is. There's a stoplight. These conditions are so off. I'm such an idiot. The reactions from people are classic, but just look at all the snow. Whoa, okay, I cannot see. Oh my gosh. And look who it is. We got Houston in the Veyron right here. As you do, our timing could not have been better. So there's a parking lot for spin class we're gonna go check out. Good morning. Good morning. What's up? It's actually good afternoon now. It is true. It took me 2 hours. I know. This is so sick. This is insane. Look at this parking lot too. I think we need some spinning. I think it's safe to say this is the dumbest thing we have ever done on the channel, but I'm telling you, there is no other car I would rather drive in the world in the snow than an all-wheel drive Lamborghini. Winter tires, look at all the snow plowing we did right there. I think the parking attendant is not happy with Houston, but like, we gotta do donuts. We have a $1.2 million Bugatti Veyron here in the snow with the Pirelli Soto Zeros. We good?
Yeah, we might have to spend $400 for some ski passes, but...
Really?
I don't know.
We gotta do what we gotta do.
Gotta do what we gotta do.
This is insane. Houston is a madman. He just launched his Veyron in the snow. Okay, so we're gonna go tuck away there in the back. The parking attendants aren't like super down for us to spin, so we're gonna do it quick and efficiently right there. So yeah, this is a never doubt. This is a full send. This is the first time you've done proper donuts in your new Veyron.
New Veyron.
Should be good. Yeah, any concerns, any doubts? How you feeling?
No concerns, no doubts, because it's slippery out here.
It is. Bad choice wearing the Vans. Here we are in the Veyron. Oh, Bert! Why are the windows down?
Oh, dude,
why are the windows? I can't see anything. Oh my gosh! Get the windows up! Jeez! Why did we have the windows rolled down? That was a mistake.
I did not think that was.
No.
I didn't even realize it. I've been driving with them down the whole time.
We just had so much snow in the Bugatti. Oh my gosh. Dude, Stefan out there risking your life. We got so close to you.
Dude, it looked so good though.
Yes.
So good.
Sick. Okay, so you heard the man. He's not happy. We're gonna get lost, but don't worry, boys. We know other parking lots. The spinach will continue. The last thing we want is the Veyron to overheat, so we're just gonna. Oh, Bert, why did I not wear gloves? Why did I not wear gloves? Okay, we're good, we're good. That is the coolest looking Bugatti I have ever seen, just covered in snow. All right, so before we get in further trouble, we're gonna head that way, and then I can't get over the fact that Houston is driving the Veyron in the snow right now. This is so sick. Oh, it's a good day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Hit it.
Bugatti snowplow video?
Yes, exactly. Dude, you are plowing so much snow. It is insane. Like, look how low it is to the ground right now. Yeah, good. Everything appears to be functioning properly, though.
Okay, we have 11 radiators.
True, so you could probably lose one and be fine, right?
4.
Yeah, you could lose 4. We're good.
Yeah,
We're good. We got 11. Whoa. I can't keep up. Oh my gosh. Houston is a madman. That's so silly. Are you kidding me? Dude, yeah, you got some snow on your bug, bro. That was the coolest thing I have ever seen in my entire life. You got a little bit of snow on the car, but you've done well. You've done very well. I'm gonna abandon the Aventador right here. I'm gonna hop in the truck bed of the Gladiator. This is not safe at all, but I'm gonna be okay. Oh my gosh. Whoa, no way. Dude, are you kidding me? Whoa. It's so cold, I can't feel my fingers. I'm out here trying to get the most exclusive footage for you guys. Houston's a madman though. Whoa, they're plowing our parking lot right now. Get out of here. We're plowing this parking lot and the tractor's plowing the other one. Jeez. Oh my gosh. It's the most aerodynamic car in the entire world, so it's actually perfect for snow plowing. That's, dude, easily. To all the Bugatti executives watching today's video from Molsheim, France, I'm pretty sure that's why they designed it the way they did, right? That would make sense. And then, come on, are you kidding me? You got all this snow on the Bugatti. This is insane.
It's called the Snow Gotti now.
There we go.
Okay.
All the executives in Molsheim are rolling their eyes right now.
I swear to you, they hate me the most out of any person in the whole world. They have to.
But I'd reckon nobody has ever had more fun in a Bugatti than you and I are having right now. And isn't that why they engineer cars anyways? Really, right? Stefan, that was pretty profound what I just said.
Oh,
that was really profound, and I didn't even that wasn't premeditated. That was off the top of my head. And on that bombshell, we're gonna spin. I bet it's about 9 degrees with a wind chill. It is so cold, and I'm wearing Vans. What am I doing? This is not a paid product placement for Vans or its affiliates. The Aventura is looking so fresh. I think it's gonna be donuts in the Veyron. It is freezing out here.
Yeah, remember I told you it was cold in Utah.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, I told you that.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. You wore Vans, FYI.
They need to sponsor me. They do. They need to sponsor me. thing. We've had this 10 on the channel. Oh my gosh. Dude, he's crazy. That's $1 million Bugatti. He's just launching it. There's a guy over there on the tractor just plowing the parking lot, and now he's coming around. Oh geez, that is so, oh my gosh. This is undoubtedly the coolest thing we have ever done in our entire life. Oh, it's a good day here in the beautiful state of Utah, and the sun's coming out. The sun's out, we're good. Check out all the snow we have. It's just like caked in here. Obviously want to get this out. We don't want the car to overheat. Not that we're too worried about it since it's so cold, but we're gonna dump the Aventador right here. I got ski equipment in the Gladiator, and we're gonna, it's just a practice session. I don't want to hurt myself on the actual slopes, so we're gonna tie up to the Veyron. Yes, this is happening. It looks really, really technical, but Houston was actually an Eagle Scout, so he's a master of not tying to a Bugatti. He knows exactly what he's doing. Definitely. This wing mechanism is not $200,000 if you break it.
I think it's more.
More. Of course it is. Of course it is. We're going to be good. Safety is of the utmost importance. My skis are wrapped purple to match the Aventador. I should camo them, and I will soon, but I only ski like once a year, so. I'm not entirely sure how this is going to really go, but we're tied up, so this would be an example of never doubt full send. Full send, Houston! Go, go, go! Come on, let's go, let's go! Go, faster! We got 1,001 horsepower, quad turbocharged W16, boys! Now we're rolling! This might be the craziest thing I have ever done right here! Houston's a madman! Wow! Let's swing it! No, no, no! Oh, I'm good! I lived! I'm alive! I'd like to thank my mom and dad for their continual support. I'd like to thank Oscar. Happy birthday, Oscar! Shout out to Stefan. Guys, go follow Stefan on Instagram, link below. And Mobetta's, we might have to get Mobetta's later. I think that's going to effectively end today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did like Spawn, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.